Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Jessica and today I am bringing you another video that I'm sure you can tell by the title is a collaboration with Emma Butcher again. And this time we are so excited to do another package swap, but this one's a little different because we're doing a mystery box. So we're gonna send each other some goodies and it's gonna be a two-part series. So my first video is going to be us getting the supplies, and I'm gonna show you in this video the supplies. And then the second video, I'm gonna show you the package that I got from her, what I got from her, and then what we're gonna do is create a piece of art using the supplies that we actually got in our packages. So for this video, I'm gonna show you a little footage of when I went shopping, and then I have my things sitting in front of me. And I'm gonna talk a little bit about each one to explain why I got them for her. So this is my envelope I got this, it's the same size envelope I got for my Christmas swap I did with her. It's a bubble mailer and it's waterproof. So it's going all the way to Australia. For those of you who are new to my channel, Emma lives in Australia. And I live here in New York in the USA. So this package is going far. So I want to make sure that it's protected as best as possible. I got this Jane Davenport washi tape. So here they are, and you got a skinny one, a couple mediums, a little thicker one, and then like a really thick one. So I thought these were really pretty, and because we love watercolor and art, I thought these would go great for your bullet journal, and because you had requested it. So these are really pretty. Speaking of bullet journaling, in our bullet journals, I found this, and it's a goal and tracker sticker book. It has 266 pieces, so I'll just show you. So they're little stickers you can fill in or mark notes. So I thought this would be cute for you to add in your bullet journal. And then to go along with that, I found, and this is so cute, I found a stamp and stencil set. I don't know if you can see because of the glare, but they're little tiny stamps. They're so tiny. And it comes with this stencil for you to do little banners and flags and stuff and add that onto your bullet journal. And I don't know if you have anything like this over there, but so I wanted to grab it. And hopefully this will be fun to include in your bullet journal. The next thing, I believe you mentioned that you couldn't get jelly rolls. Sakura white jelly roll pens. So I picked one up for you. I have one myself. I don't use it a whole lot, so I can't really tell you if it's good or not. So my kind of like big gift in the package is going to be these Jane Davenport mermaid markers, and they're water brush markers filled with watercolor paint. I was interested in trying these. I'm not sure how well they work or how good the paint is inside, but I think if you use them all up, I think you can refill them using some of your own paint using syringes. You can stick the needle in the barrel to fill it up, and I think you can do this with water as well. I'm not 100% sure, but they are sealed, and they have like a little stopper between the barrel and the brush so nothing leaks while in the packaging. And I hope these don't like explode in the airplane or something, so I'm gonna package them up in a plastic bag just in case. I also wanted to include some of supplies that I had myself because I think they're good and they're helpful. So the first thing is this mini mister. You fill this with water and I use it to spray my paints that I'm going to be using for a painting or to wet a paper. So it's pretty helpful to have this around. The next thing is a dip pen. I'm going to include a couple nibs for you, but I actually bought two on accident. I had one and forgot I had one, so I bought another one. So this will be a dip pen and you can put the nibs in there, and I know you have some inks, so you can play with that and do some writing or drawing. Last little thing I had is a little sea sponge. I had a bag of these when I bought them for my watercolors, but they make really cool effects. And if you go way back to some of my first couple videos, I did a watercolor technique video where I use this sponge. So moving on to the goodies I also included in the package. This is one you had requested, Twinkies. I actually bought this box just to give you some, and we had talked about this, Emma, on our video chat because she, I guess, can't get them in Australia and she wanted to try one. Another goodie I wanted to send you was this. This is just a tea packet. This is my favorite tea, and I think you said you don't like tea, but I don't know. I just thought I'd include it, and if you wanted to try it, you could. I think they're sold at Starbucks, and I'm pretty sure you have a Starbucks, but it's the Tazo English breakfast. The next thing, this is funny, is Peeps. I found them. I was so determined to find these, and I thought there might be some Valentine's ones out right now, but I happened to find these bunny ones, which are coming out for Easter. For you guys that don't know, me and Emma were video chatting and we got to talking about marshmallows, and she likes to eat them and I don't, and I said, oh, you like Peeps, and she didn't know what they were, so I'm like, oh, I'm gonna send those. So I got those. I hope you like them. A lot of sugar, I'm sure. I think this is my last thing, is Jolly Ranchers. When we had sent our first package, I sent a pack of Jolly Ranchers. She didn't know what they were. It was pretty funny, but she's like, oh, I really like these. I'm gonna need regular shipments. So I figured I'd throw another pack in there for you. I hope you enjoy it. So I think that's it for all the goodies I got. I'm gonna package these all up right now, and hopefully we'll get that in the mail pretty soon. I can't wait to get your package and see what you got me. I'm so excited to get some art supplies from Australia. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to support my channel, and make sure you don't miss out on our next package video. Bye!